So, Positive Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from IMG Project. Magandang tanghali sa lahat ng delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yung Doc Gigi Sunga. And at present, nandito tayo ngayon sa SMX Convention Center sa Mall of Asia. And we're attending the convention ng IMG. And I'm happy to announce to everyone, sa lahat ng delivers natin, that officially I'm joining IMG for 3 reasons. Okay, so palakpakan naman tayo. Kasi madami nagtatanong sa atin about IMG, may member pa ako or what. So, ang decision natin ngayon is, of course, I'll be joining IMG for 3 reasons. Number 1, I see it as a mean or as a tool, okay, to help a lot of people to have financial freedom. Lalo yung mga OFW natin na ang dami sa ating nag-message na hindi na babago yung buhay nila financially, nahirapan pa rin sila, patapos na yung contract, may utang pa rin, di ba sila nakakaipon? And even yung mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas that they are working so hard, pero they are broke, wala silang pera, nahirapan sila sa trabaho, walang tingin sa trabaho, pero wala silang savings, wala silang investment, wala silang property, okay? So, I think IMG can help them to have financial freedom. That's my first reason. My second reason is, based from the testimony kanina a while ago, I've seen people na nabago ang buhay nila. Ordinary OFW na hindi nakapag-aral, pero ngayon may business na. Because IMG is a business, it's not a job. It can help a lot of people. So I've seen life na nabago, na-inspire, nakatulong sa family, nagkaroon ng investment because of IMG. And third, why I am joining IMG is because I have the platform. Okay, I have this my YouTube channel, and I have audience in my various seminar, so that I can help IMG, okay, to inform people about its system, how does it work, and how it can help people to in their journey towards financial freedom. So those are my 3 reasons why I am joining IMG. So if you are interested to in joining IMG, yung mga nagtatanong sa atin ng mga OFW, mga kaibigan natin, I can now answer your questions because I have I have this book, okay, from IMG. So it was briefly discussed kanina, and I can help you to understand this, why you should have your emergency funds, investment, and everything. Okay, so just message me. You just call me 0939-525-4311. Or better, if you can message me sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go!